Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to set up automated responses in Facebook Messenger using Meta Business Suite. If you want to provide instant replies to customers and manage messages efficiently, follow the simple steps. First, to be able to begin, just log in onto your account first. So currently, I'm on my personal account. So let's try to switch onto the Facebook page wherein we want to set an automated response. So just click here onto your profile icon, and then right after just choose in the profile wherein you want to add the automated response. Right after, we need to switch for professional dashboard for that or onto the Meta Business Suite. So click on professional dashboard and you'll get redirected here. So here onto the screen, onto the left side, you should be able to find an option under platform tools to open the Meta Business Suite. So click onto that and then make sure that in here it is your Facebook page that you want to set up the automated response. Then right after, just head here on inbox, and then right after, this is where you can manage messages from Facebook Messenger and Instagram DMs. To set up the automated responses, we have an automations tab here or button onto the upper part. Click onto that. And then right after, you should be able to see different options for that. We have instant reply, wherein you could reply with a greeting when someone messages you for the first time, away message, identify an answered message, contact information, and ours. So we're gonna opt for the instant reply in here. We're gonna simply click onto this one to try this, or you could simply click on create automation here onto the upper part and choose instant reply and create automation. Then you'll just have to go ahead and customize your message. So you need to turn this one on or toggle this on onto the upper part and then just click here, Messenger. So when this happens, this happens when Poshop receives a message on the platforms or which is Messenger, and then this is the reply instantly to the customer. Hi, thanks for contacting us. We've received your message and appreciate your reaching out. So you could actually customize this. Like we could add, welcome to Poshop. And you should be able to see also a preview in here. So this is the preview in Messenger. You could also add in an emoji and personalize your message more. So once your message is ready, just simply click on Save Changes in here. So from now on, whenever someone messages your page, they'll receive an instant reply with this one. And that's basically it, how you set up automated responses in Facebook Messenger using Meta Business Suite. If you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.